Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're shopping for trendy basics, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping. This is poplin button downs, and this is a sneak peek item from Scoop. So it has a ruffle neckline, this little ruffle trim. I like that this one has a lightweight fabric, that gathered detail, button on the wrist with that little ruffle, and then it's a relaxed fit through the front and the back. So it comes in the white, also in black, and they are going to be, looks like the prices are gone, but they'll be linked down below. Also in the stripes are these sets from No Boundaries. Has the smaller collar, full button, pull-on shorts. Also comes in the solid black, and the two pieces are $19.98. New set from Free Assembly. This one has this smaller collar, full button, the rhinestone detail, has the cuff sleeve. We did see this one in the white and the blue stripe, and now they also have the shorts to match. So these are pull-on, flowy, the same kind of rhinestone detail. They only have the stripe here, and these are going to be $24. Also new button-down shirt and short sets from Time and True. So these have the smaller collar, full button, has the tab sleeve, also has the button on the wrist, the scoop in the middle. It's a purled button with the seam in the back. In the white, also comes in the blue, and these are going to be $22.98. To match, they have the pull-on shorts. These have an elastic waistband, flowy fit with the side pocket, same fit through the back. In the blue, also in that white, and the shorts are going to be $16.98. High neckline, full buttons, has this little gathered detail, a gathered wrist with the button. I thought it was elastic, and then that same fit through the back. These are going to be $24. These are new from Time and True. They have that smaller collar, full button. This one has the dolman sleeve, relaxed, flowy, oversized fit with the scoop, and then this seam detail in the back. So this one comes in this embroidered pineapple, comes in the green with the pink palm leaves. There's a blue Oxford, and then the white, and they're $15.98. Are tank tops with thick straps. It's from Time and True. Has that high neckline, sleeveless, the little twist detail. It's a stretchy kind of material. And then that same fit through the back comes in blue, white, and black, and they're $9.98. Tanks with the thicker straps from Time and True. This has that thicker strap, square neckline, button through the back. They have a bunch of different prints and colors in this one, and it's $12.98. The Time and True swing tanks are under $8. They have that V neckline, relaxed fit, seam in the back, lots of new colors. There's green, brown, blue, fuchsia, black, red, white, that charcoal, and new color in the eyelet tank from Time and True. So these have that high neckline, sleeveless, scallop trim, has a little keyhole in the back, and I think this is an online only color. They're about $18.98. We also saw it in the white. Also new tank and skirt set from No Boundaries. So this is that like active material. It has the thicker strap, square neckline, fitted. The skirt has built-in shorts. Same kind of stretchy material. I really want this. They don't have my size. So it comes in black, also in blue, and the two pieces are $19.98. Also new sleeveless tanks from Free Assembly. These have that high neckline, sleeveless, a stretchy material, really good length through the front and the back. Comes in navy, also in white, and they're $8. Also new colors in this tie top. So we saw that print, and then also I think a white. Now they have this one, and they also have a skirt that matches back to this. I have that one. So it has the thicker strap, this little tie detail, seam fit through the back. It's actually a little shorter in the back, and these are going to be $10.98. New top from Scoop. This one has the thicker strap, square neckline. It's a ponny knit at the top with the little peplum. This is a poplin material. Has the same kind of fit through the back, and it comes in white, also in black, and they're $20. Up are matching linen separate. So this skirt is from Time and True. They do have the matching button down tops, and then also tanks. Has the flat front, elastic through the back, the little slit. It's a midi length. In this green and pink pom, also comes in the white and blue. And these are going to be $18.98. New peplum tops from Time and True. They have the thin strap, elastic. It's a soft, kind of lightweight fabric. Has that same fit through the back in the beige, and they're going to be $13.98. New color in this button down top from Time and True. So this has the smaller collar, full button, this little tie detail, dolman sleeve, same fit through the back with the same detail, and comes in the white, also in the stripe, and they're going to be $18.98. First of these new pull-on skirts from Time and True. They have an elastic waistband, side pocket, nice flowy fit through the front and the back. The material is that like shiny kind of linen look. Comes in this solid white, also in this blue and white stripe, and they're $16.98. Also seeing the scoop vest in the white for the first time. So this one has the thicker strap, square neckline, functioning buttons, has that same fit through the back. It has that linen texture, and these do run a little on the bigger end, so you might want to size down. Time and True linen pants. These have an elastic waistband, drawstring, side pocket, cargo pocket, same fit through the back. In the true linen color, also comes in the black. They were originally $21.98. They're now $12.98. The linen shorts are also on sale. I don't think they have the blazer here, but those are also marked down to $19.99, so I'll link those. But the short has the button zip, pleating. It's a nice longer length with elastic through the back. Regularly $18.98. These are also down to $12 and change. The Time and True pull-on shorts, it says they're $15. They have an elastic waistband, drawstring. I know some colors are on sale, so they have this stripe option in store, also the blue and white stripe. We saw the pull-on linen pants from Time and True in this pink color. Now I'm seeing the blazer. So this is cut just like the black and beige. Has the 3/4 sleeve, the 2 front pockets, tortoise buttons with the same fit through the back. So now you're seeing the pink color, but these are only available online. Basic, we're going to be shopping for our slip skirts and dresses. These are from No Boundaries. Has that fold over, super stretchy with the slit, that same fit through the back. They had some new print and colors. They have that blue floral I've shared previously. I have this in red. They also have it in olive, but they're only $7.98. Tank dresses from No Boundaries. So these have a thin strap, that V neckline. It's the rib material with the drop tier. The back is squared in this black with the white floral, and then also in the rust. And these are only $10. Also in that pink are these dresses from Celebrity Pink. These have the elastic waistband, square neckline, the little tie, smocked waist, drop tier, that same fit through the back. Also comes in the light yellow floral, which is another big color for 2025. And these are $26.50. New ombre longer dresses from No Boundaries. So this one has the removable strap, elastic at the top. It's that shiny pleated material with the slit. Same fit through the back in this red. It goes down to a purple. There's also teal, and they are going to be $10. Also new textured dresses from No Boundaries. These have the thin strap, V neckline, the little ruching. It's more of a fitted style with the squared back. In the lime, also comes in black, and they're $10. New maxi length dresses from No Boundaries. So these have the thicker strap. It's nice and stretchy, long length, squared in the back. It's that soft microfiber in the black, also comes in the coral, and these are only $10. New dresses from No Boundaries. So these are ribbed and stretchy, has a thin adjustable strap, built-in shelf bra, fitted through the front and the back in the navy, also comes in the green. Over here they have red and black, and they're going to be $5.98. So $6 for a dress. You could size up if you want more length and more of a relaxed fit. Also new from Time and True is this halter neck dress. So this one has the tie around the neck, seam detail, drop tier, that same kind of fit through the back. It has this really pretty crisscross detail, and they're $20. Also new long length crochet dresses from No Boundaries. So these have the thin strap. It has a little bit of a scoop It is a little sheer, but the holes are pretty small. Longer length in the purple, orange, blue. Also the brown, black, and white, and they're $16.98. Also new long cover-ups from Time and True. This one has the tie strap detail. It's open it through the front and the back. In the black, also comes in white, and they're $24.98. Next basics we're shopping for are utility style. So these shorts are from Lay. They're a 5-inch inseam. They have this side pocket with the cargo pocket, flat pockets through the back. In the brown, comes in pink and mint, and they're $21.98. So new pull-on style jeans from Free Assemblies have the drawstring side pocket. Also has the cargo pocket. These look like they're a cropped fit through the front and the back. New jumpsuit from Free Assembly. So the woman from Walmart that went to the YouTube shopping event was wearing this. And she had it styled nicely. She put a little scarf around her neck. It looked really cute. So it has this smaller collar, full zip, belt, nice flowy leg, cropped through the front with pockets on the back. And these are $34. And these are going to be $9. And then right beneath that is a new long short. These look like they're high rise. They have the side pocket, whiskering, the little flat pocket through the leg, pockets on the back. In the denim, also comes in beige, and they're $24. New cargo pants from Free Assembly. These have the button zip, seam detail, the cargo pockets, relaxed fit with the flat pockets in the back. And these are going to be $26. New drawstring jeans from Madden NYC. These are high rise. They have that drawstring, the side pocket, nice and flowy leg, no pockets in the back. In the solid white, they also come in the chambray. Really good look for less. I know I've seen these, a couple designers do this little drawstring. And these are going to be $23. And then this new vest from Scoop. I showed this one in my last haul. It has the thicker strap, square neckline, functioning buttons with the seam in the back. And they are going to be $28. New dresses from Time and True. So this one has the smaller collar, lapel, button with the drawstring, a little tab sleeve. First time we're seeing it in the chambray. We saw it in the black and the green and one other color. It has that same fit through the back. I think they have one other chambray option online, and they're $18.98. Also new from No Boundaries are these crisscross ankle sandals. So they have that square toe, the satin material with the grommet, sling back with the buckle, and then a little bit of a chunky heel. And these are $22.98. New denim from Sofia Vergara. So these are high rise. They have the belt, the flat pocket, nice and flowy with pockets in the back. This is the Margot wide leg super high rise, and they are $28. Comes in this mid-tone, also in that really dark wash. New tier dress from Time and True. So this one has this smaller collar, button up into the waist, seam detail with the tiers, flowy fit in the black, also comes in the green, and they're going to be $17.98. New color in these scuba pants. So these have the elastic waistband, drawstring. They have the pocket through the leg. These are on clearance. They're under $15. I picked them up in the gray and I traveled with them. They're so comfortable. In that utility style, there's this romper from Celebrity Pink. So it has the smaller collar, full button toggle at the waist, relaxed fit with the same fit through the back. Comes in the green, also in the khaki, and they are going to be $22.50. So going to be shopping for short sleeve and puff sleeve sweaters and cardigans. These are from Free Assembly. It has that scoop neckline, puff sleeve with this gold button detail, 2 front pockets, that same fit through the back, and these are going to be $24. Peak cardigans from Scoop. These have that crew neckline, balloon sleeve with the ribbing, full button, that ribbed bottom, and then the same fit through the back. In the green also comes in the burgundy, and these are going to be $24. Also new style of vest from Free Assembly. So this has that high neckline, the gold buttons, ribbed bottom. These are $18. We saw it with that plunging V before. And then it also has the stripe in the high neckline. Sneak peek vest from Scoop. These have that high neckline, the gold buttons, sleeveless, fitted through the body, same fit through the back. In the green, also comes in black, and they're $22. So lots of new crochet. So that's the next trend. These halters are from No Boundaries. Also comes with the short set. They have an elastic waistband. It's a pointelle knit. That's what it looks like up close. The top ties around the back, comes in the brown and white, also in the pink, and the 2 pieces are going to be $18.98. Sweaters from Scoop. These have that high neckline. They're sleeveless, super stretchy. Comes in the back like racer back, in the green, also in black, and these are $18. New dresses from No Boundaries. So these have the thin strap, this little wrap, drop tier, flowy fabric with that smocking in the back. Comes in the white with the pink and burgundy, and then also this light blue floral, and these are only $14.98. Also new cover-up set from Celebrity Pink. So this one has the little tie detail vest style in the multicolor, also comes in white, and they're $22. And then the shorts are pull-on in the multicolor with the little drawstring, also in the white, and those are $18. So going to be shopping for lacy and sheer mesh tees and tops, tanks. These are from No Boundaries. They have the thin strap, that lace trim, the pointel kind of detail with the lettuce trim. In this gray, also in yellow. I think we saw it maybe like a white. And these are $6.98. New crochet top from Jessica Simpson. This has that scoop neckline, the scallop trim, the scallop bottom, seam kind of fit through the back. And these are going to be $28. They have a tank option in that multicolor floral. So this is a mesh material, thin strap. So it's the same exact print. The fabric is different. Smocking in the back, in the beige and white. I'd probably size up in this just for a little bit more length. This is the medium now. It looks true to size. And then the pads do have the little slits so you can remove it. But how cute to like layer under a blazer. And then I love this for vacation. And they're going to be $14.50. Lace, they have these from No Boundaries, that thin strap, the plunging V, this little bow detail with these scallop trim. This one also comes in navy, and they are $8.98. Also new colors in this, like this one's sheer. I bought this in the red. It is very, very sheer, but nice for the price, and they're super soft. So it comes in this new fuchsia, also in the blue. They have black and brown now. I had the red. It looks like they got rid of the red, and these were $9.99. Also new crochet tops from No Boundaries. So these have a mid-size strap, that V neckline. It's a pointel trim, also through the side, and then the bottom. This is the extra large, more of a like shorter kind of relaxed fit. And the beige also comes in rust, and they're $10.98. New smock tank from No Boundaries. This one has the thin strap, the V neckline, this little ruche detailing smocking through the body, and then it's squared in the back. It comes in this beige. It might also be in this listing, the smocked gingham. And these are $8.98. I'm going to end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.